Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in a linear equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 8 times x minus 3 equals 13. By following a series of steps, we will isolate the variable x and find its value. So let's get started with the problem-solving process. Step 1 in solving the equation 8x minus 3 equals 13 focuses on isolating the variable x. First, we observe that 8x is decreased by 3, resulting in 13. To begin solving, we need to remove the minus 3 from the left side to isolate the term containing x. We can do this by adding 3 to both sides of the equation. This is because adding or subtracting the same amount from both sides keeps the equation balanced. So we start with 8x minus 3 equals 13. Next, we add 3 to both sides to help isolate the 8x term. 8x minus 3 plus 3 equals 13 plus 3. On the left side, minus 3 and plus 3 cancel each other out, leaving 8x equals 16. Now we clearly have 8x isolated. We will proceed from here to solve for x in the next step. Step 2 continues the process of isolating the variable x. At this point, we have the equation 8x equals 16. To solve for x, we need to remove the coefficient of 8 from the left side. This will make x stand on its own. The coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable x. In this case, it is 8. To isolate x, we divide both sides of the equation by 8. Dividing by 8 will cancel out the multiplication by 8 on the left side, starting with 8x equals 16. We divide both sides by 8. 8x divided by 8 equals 16 divided by 8. On the left side, 8 divided by 8 is 1, so we are left with x equals 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2, therefore x equals 2. This is the final step, and now we have the solution. The value of x is 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.